This is Biafran Exodus TV. Who's bringing you the message of redemption and liberation to the hearts and the minds of our people. Umife, they will salute you all over the world. Genuine citizens of Biafrans all over the world. Omaka Bene, Ayenina, Merunina. I bring greetings from the depth of my heart to great citizens of Biafra all over the world. All the members of the cabinet that are doing a great job in support of the government, the COS that is standing out there firmly, irrespective of the distractions from the camps of the enemy. We will not cease to be mentioning her in our daily prayers. In the 247. Before that, na chukwu na gana no ire na agba you ume when any go the wisdom of it we na around it say am because in to for no kita na she's representing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and at the same time representing PM Sam Ekpa, and then we got some cabinet members in their hand and occasion then they check by here on the the opportunity when they can know all of them. When I said that, no one, Neoma, for Hanem, agitation, Ike. Now, that one number. No more Biafra, Niti, and a brother. More Biafra, Niti, and a brother. Now, Papa number one way or the other, if for that, no one name. No, no, Mahana, and I'm a Tamburoma. And I'm a Tamburoma. I don't borrow Mogami Town, Bromaga is Gabaro Nobala. So, most of the time, I know that nice that now, I know that is my redemption and liberation. I came to understand that now most of us are now what I hear with the meaning of that redemption and that liberation because a lot of us, some of us, the mental slavery, some of us, and those few individuals. I feel onye eji mana anu ntaye n'ọnụ onye ahụ si na agbofu na si na mana nwa dịrị ụtọ. Freedom, ihe freedom represent mmanụ aṅụ. Onye ọbụla nara gị freedom nara gị mmanụ aṅụ. Yotago. I watch na ona ya only go to in a dungeon or a confinement by the security. Like Roto Mazi Nnamdi Kanu were on a confinement, Ketana, Mazi PMs were on a confinement. You got for on our way conducive place to any normal human being, you know. The man not be faithful in a confinement, and I'm going to freedom here. I'm gonna go that particular person, the freedom. Only the mobile ability be again by na kitchen you got maybe fridge where something you want to put again at buy no login in put again get picture bata if I can see that from you. I don't know there for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ni make it na God Sam Ekpa no get na here one of the 80 room Biafra all over the world. Here one of the 80 room Biafra all over the world. And you probably find no all over the world. Anara in freedom, anara in fairness. And you need to share his young one by one. So now I'm that now no GJG PM Sam Ekpa no GJG Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no GJG Umo Biafra game na that na game na no nya ha ma ho ya na ebe Bob no chetara that na for that na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ka no n'ime PM Sam Ekpa ka no n'ime anyị supposed na foot ya hu anyị na anyị niile no n'ime together with Mazi Sam Ekpa na anyị niile no n'ime together with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mami want to go my point now. I need no nima. I just was in with that picture very, very clear. Some of us don't just know the last child outside. No, the Kasibuka. In your Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na gabi inside. No, Basaha. On the no pan no the last child. The Kasibuka. In your PM Sam Ekpa na gabi inside. Nima no Basaha. No one at that half. And the worst part to have the hands no actually claim a hero. The worst part, some of these individuals are this mediocre sound. They will be mocking at the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They will be mocking at PM Sam Ekpa say, I can actually claim a hero. Now if you're going to be a hero, I land there. Very, very wrong mindset. Very, very wrong mindset if about now they supposing name exist among us. But when we continue that Uzoma redemption now. If we make sure that now one now any involved in this Biafra movement, and any particular person that is supposed to happen here, it is not only meant for PM Sam Neba, it's not only meant for Mazenandi Carlo. This wisdom is not only meant for them to be fighting. It is being meant for each and every one of us, but why Igbo Biafrans or Biafrans at large. Whether I'm in Asu Igbo or in Asu Isoko, in Asu Calabar, in Asu Niger Delta, one we are Biafrans. We are Biafrans. There is still a duty call calling upon every Biafrans all over the world. This duty call calling Biafrans all over the world, both the Igbo Biafrans, Isoko Biafrans, Niger Delta Biafrans, Calabar Biafrans, as long as you see from the eastern part of that Nigeria, when you are Biafran, there's a duty call calling for everybody to come together under this one government, USB. Bring it on. No more blame in my if you're not when time for you to bring it on, put it on the table. I cannot book mostly time every day. Ndega no. But they actually remind that natural he play a very vital role, natural he play any positive role, natural he play any role at all. Or on a Biafran government, or on evangelism in a no, he just no. He's also in a winch in the name. We are still putting this duty call. But no happen, but no blood just no. Make sure that around every Biafrans all over the world, both home and abroad. At least the mountain by grace of God. Other people around need to leave that argument, leave that rubbish. Some of them name online. Back on attack, support for this government here. You're not going to lose anything. Time happens among us. I pushing because the more I find I don't care, nonchalant attitude. The more can do run is in our sign when I native behind. And if you let that no name affect today, or if you let that you know you will never escape, one way or the other, you know blame no again a bag, or no black affect. No takagis will get to the extent that 91 day for a fraka. I am going to see home, maybe I got to back. We that are in the abroad, we are fighting to redeem those that are at home. And those that are at home, we need to dispose in our cooperating within the local abroad. If for that, now here play fine, I'm with the high in our job. So that only is going to for once. On again, Kanko. I get a lot of jobs, millions of jobs. I get millions of job creation. I get video do Biafran land. Ono got shown your also. You're not in a top position. You're inside this Biafran movement. You're in a position. Don't worry. Position you matter to also. You I get with a lot of appointment in both my ministerial, my education, and my health center, my engineering. I get a lot of millions of jobs. Ono got shown your also. And government can make what I've been why not with this kind of mindset among us? I can be able to say now when the Biafra woman give me Sindamba, Negasu, now one run again, but again, this one give me. No, we hear John, Carriam, Captain Job. Come on, Katana, check it, guys, one give me. You need to reject the voice of the enemy, get rejected totally. One year, I find a passport here. Open talk is where them. But in the name of Matabo and Obi, at the end of the day, I want to feel that non again, maybe how I never thought that one, not so how I'm motives about wicked, also somehow I'm motives about wickedness, also somehow I'm motives are also somehow I'm motives are twice, also somehow I'm motives a blackmailing. Atumakunu, Habruku and Obi. By the time on down on a try only if you know my home. Mona give me his own move on, I give me Buguan, Kaya. PM is suffering today, Martin is suffering today because of their good job. You feeling away hammer. By the time on got turned out to a beast, bugwano their business or one the thing. If for now because that's when I'm like, why don't you get na kabakano no something, your mom like feeling I could. By the time you wake up, you will go umife. Bugwano you will have because I don't have a umife and a booze video. And a booze of trauma that coma, will try to be oma, will try to desire the attitude with a good character to you, for you to appreciate them. Once you don't appreciate them, what back on your such a opportunity. But if you want this kind of opportunity, always like to drop a word of encouragement, always like to drop a word of inspiration, always like to drop a word of redemption, always like to drop a word of liberation to the hearts and the minds of our people. As na charity begins at home. Onye na-enwe udo, enwe ike inye mmadụ udo outside there. Onye na-enwe joy, enwe ike inye mmadụ joy outside there. Onye na-enwe redemption n'ime obi ya, enwe ike inye gị redemption n'ime obi ya. Onye na-enwe liberation, enwe ike inye gị ya. You can only be what you think inside of your heart. Let the thinking, let the goodness start from the heart. Then we're going to have to outwardly. Biafra is going to be a very beautiful nation all over the world. Right? We are going to be, we are the ambassadors of peace, ambassadors of fairness, ambassadors of justice, equity and justice. That's who we are. And when you're not chiri, we're going to get no chiri. Ọchụ nwa ọkụkọ ga na-eme ada nwa ọkụkọ ga na-enwe nwe ọsọ ebe onye bi ka ọ na-awachi ebe ebere ugo obere nkesi ibe ebere ugo akwa ya. And remember, I always tell you people, onye gbara nkụ ahụhụ si mgbere kpatara ya ụgwọ. Ọgba ọsọ agbakwuru ọgụ ama ha na ọgụ ọnwụ njiji na-anụ ihe na-eso ozu ebe a niile. Nwanne biko ka obi sara chia n'ebe ndụ anyị nọ ka hapụ sentiment. It's time for us to make things right, and the time is now. This is Biafran Exodus TV. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the program, with that kind of share button, get us out the message. That is the only way you can be and be part of what we are doing. Until I come across your way some other time. We say I love you and God bless.